What's up guys, I'm Kinzey Rae and today I'll be showing you a few styles that you can do with your crochet hair. In my previous video I showed you guys how to do a half up half down crochet look, so I will also be showing you guys a few more things that you can do with your hair while it's in that style. So if you're interested in seeing these styles, please just keep on watching.
Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're anyone else, 'cause I love you just how you are. Hope you never find out who I really am, 'cause you'll never love me, you never love me, you'll never love me.
Alright, so I'll be starting this look off with my half up half down style. If you haven't seen that video, please don't forget to check it out. I will have a card up above so you guys can just click that link and go and check that video out. So this is the first style, the half up half down, and then I'll just be moving on to my next style. And I am actually suffering from a little congestion right now, so I decided not to do a voiceover for this video. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just showing the styles and just showing the outcome afterwards. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so, and I will see you guys in my next video.